Defining the sales process. Companies that establish milestones believe they have process. For traditional sellers, however, this is analogous to giving a destination without a map or directions and occasionally asking if they are going the right way. If you are going to treat sales as a process, then you have to align it with all other processes at a foundational level. In other words, any process you look at has three fundamental components: a series of defined steps, inputs, and outputs. Think about manufacturing as a process. There is a clearly defined sequence that is followed. The inputs into the process are raw materials or component parts. The output is finished goods. In order to define sales as a process, we need to chart a different course. In doing so, it will be necessary to establish some definitions that we can build on. 1. Process. A defined set of repeatable, interrelated activities with outcomes that feed to another activity in the process. Each outcome can be measured so that adjustments can be made to the activities, the outcomes, or the process itself. Sales process. A defined set of repeatable, interrelated activities from market awareness through servicing customers that allows communication of progress to date to others within the company. Each activity has an owner and a standard measurable outcome that provides inputs to another activity. Each result can be assessed so that improvements can be made to 1. The skills of the people performing the activities, and 2. The sales process itself. Sales pipeline milestones. These are measurable events that can take place during sales cycles that enable sales management to assess the status of opportunities for the purpose of forecasting. Ideally, most of these milestones are objective and auditable. Sales funnel milestones. These are measurable events that take place on specific opportunities that enable sales management to assess the quality of selling skills and the quantity of activity needed at the salesperson level. Again, these milestones are 1. Objective, and 2. Auditable. Because of the predominant perception that selling is more of an art than a science, few companies have sales processes that traditional sellers can execute. We believe that this deficiency is the single most significant factor contributing to the disappointing results achieved with CRM systems. As suggested in the preceding definitions, the chances of building and sustaining an executable and therefore successful sales process are slim in the absence of the following prerequisites: 1. Pipeline milestones. 2. Repeatable processes. 3. Sales-ready messaging. 4. Customer-centric selling skills. And 5. Consistent, auditable input. If you enjoyed this video, then join my Business Mastery Insider Secrets Club. There you'll have access to all my business mastery systems, over 1,000 business strategy videos, over 100 hours of Business Mastery University courses. You'll access my 10 business assessment tools, my 12 business planning tools, the Small Business Makeover, the 120-day performance challenge, the 6-month internet blueprint, thousands of business articles, over 700 business templates, and over 100 of my favorite business strategy ebooks. All of this for just $29 a month for a limited time. So join now.